could put a straw on the ground and suck up all this food.
Right.
Good morning. Oh, somebody's got the cash over there. I don't know if y'all noticed that.
Oh, I must have dropped that. Thank you.
You're welcome. I mean, if you want to sell it. It's like it rained, but it didn't.
Right.
Appreciate you coming out. Yes, sir. Yeah, good luck.
Fishing poles.
Oh, y'all, there'll be plenty. They starting to get set up over there next door too.
Alex.
Ma'am.
Fishing pole.
Fishing poles.
Ooh, it's gonna be a long hot day.
Yes, ma'am.
It's that humidity. Ooh.
Just about. I could feel you dying a little inside when she was going so slow through the grass.
Yeah, just a little. Bail just got revoked.
Who?
Sam Bankman-Fried.
Whoever that is.
They've been chasing him for a while.
Ah, gotcha.
Bank fraud. I'll get your roll on.
Oh, yeah. I actually do need to do that.
Yeah, I found out.
It's a wee one, too.
Yeah.
What do you want for it?
Megan, what do I want for that thing? I have no idea what it is.
Well, we just got
It is a big one.
we still need some games. So you can flag me down if you can bring it.
What else we looking at?
Okay. Good deal.
You wanna wear them sandals? Who's there? You wanna wear them sandals? Why?
There's a couple.
Yep.
All the same that we have, I believe.
I believe you are correct.
This is like the best like reference. When you're supposed to learn her sound, it's like, hey, I don't do volleyball.
Thank you so much.
Y'all have a good morning.
You too.
Puzzles.
I'm sorry.
They've been visiting for the past couple weeks at church.
Old people crying.
No, they're not there. They're about 3 classes above me.
Well, they ain't a rocking chairs back there.
Wait a minute. Y'all ain't got
I'm
in
in
my
the-
class
my
yet,
Sunday
so
school
y'all
class
ain't
is-
in the old class.
No. Laura, he wants to ask you something. Hey, pay attention.
Good morning. How are y'all?
That's all right, Laura. I understand completely, darling.
I'm in the, I got a huge gap in mine. Ross is in my Sunday school class, but then,
It was pretty.
I don't know her, like, Sarah's mom, I don't know her. Sarah.
Note to self when candies. Oh.
But I found old ones like that. They're pretty good.
I guess we can look in the piles.
No, definitely not that. Okay.
Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
You can look here. I'm bringing the stuff up there, but you
Okay,
can
cool.
just dig whatever you want to do. Awesome. We had people coming, and I'm like, oh, it's early.
Yeah, I get
But,
it.
you know, this is the earliest one I've ever done. 7 o'clock. I'm like, whoa, this is crazy.
Yeah, and you know people start door knocking way earlier than that.
I've never done one before 9, but I'm like, okay, so.
How much are your video games?
Most of them are $2, and the DVDs, if there's any left, are $1.
Okay. I'll probably buy them all at $2. Makes it easy.
All right. You can check and make sure they're all in there. I believe they are,
Okay.
but sometimes someone takes some, you know.
Right.
'Cause there
There's
was
a
some.
controller for the Wii U. Didn't you just get a Wii U?
Yes.
Yeah, this one is 5 if you want.
Okay.
the control.
This is Shrek.
Are you looking for anything particular?
We
I was just looking.
we just started a video game room, so
We
really
did,
video
yeah.
games was like at the top of the list.
Oh, okay.
And you know they're getting expensive, so you don't want
Yeah, yeah.
you don't want to go paying $30 a piece.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys are into like Comic-Con stuff. I don't know, you know that thing. I'm just like,
Not really. I'm not much into anything other than games,
Video
and we
games?
like
Okay.
we like vintage too.
okay. This is all Comic-Con. There might be a couple.
This is actually compatible with all Wii's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it says Wii Motion Plus, blah blah blah.
I just saw where it said Wii U. It's that Nico brand.
Right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, I got 28 in games, and they got 5 there. Would you make it a 30 even?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Unless I gotta take back in.
Right on. Thank you.
Alrighty. Do you need a bag? Are you good?
I think I'm good.
I think we got a tote in the car. We can slide
Oh
them
yeah, I
in.
got several totes.
Let me just see. I don't know if I have any more. There might be one tiny video game up there, but I think it's like one of those hookings.
I'm just gonna eyeball what's on first.
Here, you want me to take that stuff?
I got it.
Here and there might be one floating around, but I don't know. Probably that's all of them.
Cool. Awesome. Well, thank you very much.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. You have a good day.
You too.
And you wanted to skip that one. Literally, never skip
See
it.
what little things she has up here. Perfume, picture frame. Okay. Cool.
I think we could have carpooled.
I know, I'm telling
Back
you.
and forth, back and forth. Oh, we
Oh,
about got you. You about found the bad stuff.
good morning.
Morning. Good morning.
Highway rescue.
All right, now you know I'm gonna ask. I gotta
TikTok.
know.
TikTok, YouTube, tax purposes. We're resellers by trade.
Really?
So sometimes it's a good reference just to go back and be like, oh, do you remember what we
thought
paid?
that
You know?
had to be it.
And then
That's
you also,
very interesting.
if you ever get audited, which could happen, we've been doing it 7 years now, so it's not happened to us. But if you ever were to get audited, you need proof, and sometimes they
For
won't,
yard sale purposes.
yeah, they won't take just a
Because you don't
written
get a receipt.
you know.
Yeah,
so
understood.
I can
yeah.
say, hey, I got videos on YouTube if you need to check them.
Right.
So hopefully that'll maybe insure me a little bit.
Right.
And also, people like seeing. To be honest, they like seeing what we see. They
You'd
don't
be
even care what
surprised
we
how
buy.
many people watch video, like just the video footage uploaded of us going to yard sales without
Really?
any editing or anything.
We don't do yard sales with this.
I
this
think about,
community
like-
thing, and I said, throw your clothes out there and let's just see.
Right. I think about like home health people that can't leave the house
Right.
Mhm.
that used to do this,
Oh,
and
really?
so
Yeah.
now it triggers
Yeah.
that happy memory. So,
Wow, that's very interesting.
all right. Well, y'all have a good day.
Yes, sir.
Oh, hold up.
Oh,
I may not be escaping yet. 53 degrees. How much are your clothes?
I don't even have a price on them. Make me an offer. I don't even know what I got over there.
Couple of wedges. I just noticed. you
These
have
are
two
some old
wedges.
Boki wedges.
Right. Good quality. How about 5 a piece?
That's fair. That's fair to me. You do this. You know what you're looking for.
Well, any of that Voki stuff too. I golf a little bit, and some of the buddies will trade clubs. And
Yeah.
that helps too.
I'm an avid golfer and a decent player. I just don't change equipment much.
Right.
And when I do update, most of my stuff's new and it's
Right.
traded or somebody wants it, but
Got 5 on.
I do.
What I really want is some Scotty Cameron putters, but you know.
Had no luck with Scotties. I tried one Scotty blade, but I'm a mallet style.
Yeah, you should look at a Circle T.
I know all about it.
Hey, I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.
I swear I married a man exactly like my father.
That's funny.
Y'all, he just farted on me in the car.
Help! All right, I appreciate it.
This is a good quad workout.
Oh yeah, down the hill, up the hill.
It's not as bad as Puckett's Ferry.
True. Good morning. Must like be this table.
Yeah.
Little plant looks cool.
Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
You got the more stuff in the
Okay, cool. That's cool. Here, hold on to that.
Okay, number 3, you give me a estimate on it. The instructions, the key, everything is right here. Right there in the box. Huh? It works, and all you have to do is wind it up and put the pedestal back on.
Yeah, she got a little stack of records in there that kind of caught my eye.
I was gonna say I couldn't tell if stuff in there was for sale or not.
That's over. USA marked. That's what shows for.
No.
You're social.
Man, this Harley Davidson belt that you have, what would you like for that?
I'm sorry?
The Harley Davidson belt?
The Harley.
No.
Oh, I'll take $1 for it.
Okay, and I noticed you got some records in your cabinet. You're not selling your records, are you?
Where's my
I'm-
husband?
I'm a record nut, so.
Are you?
I saw the cabinet,
Well,
had to
come
ask.
on in and you look through.
Okay,
He's got these down here.
okay. Awesome.
You just look.
Thanks.
How are you today?
How are you?
Good.
Thank y'all. Y'all come by.
Oh, what interesting artwork.
Oh yeah, the clowns, it's kind of like Emmett, what's his face?
I'll take $1 for each belt.
I gave her the $1 for that, didn't I?
I don't think you did yet, no.
Yeah, I think it did. I'll pull that wallet.
Oh, okay, I didn't see you.
Yep. What an eclectic mix.
Go out and look at them.
You got a little bit of everything in here.
Oh yeah, I bought a bunch of them.
I mainly like Southern rock, but like Willie Nelson, you know, that's
Yeah.
Willie. You gotta like Willie.
They most of them I bought them as we stopped at a auction
Right.
over on Belden Highway, and there was
Okay.
a whole box of them things, and I bought them. Feel free to look through all of them.
I appreciate it. Thanks. Polka and waltz.
I had some old George Jones and all that stuff, and the fella came and got them.
Yeah, people nowadays they're starting to like them. They didn't used to like them too much, but
It's trendy right
yeah,
now.
they're coming back in.
Had some Elvis.
I think it's just a Willie for me today. What you want for that Willie Nelson?
What you give for it?
I'll give you $2.
Sound like a winner.
All right, sweet.
It's just sitting there burning. I used to come up here and drink my beer and all that stuff. Good Lord, said, hey, boy, you better quit that foolishness.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
I
All right, here's one. I gotta dig another one out of my bag here.
I give up that kind of life, and I still come up here and enjoy that music.
Yeah. Will you hold this?
Yes.
Reach in here and grab one.
The chairs, the clock.
That's a whole one too, isn't it?
I think that was 80s.
There you go.
I appreciate it.
Right.
Thank you.
Thanks for letting me dig through them.
Yeah, no problem.
You
Thank
didn't find
you.
one?
I got one.
Oh, got
She
one.
Okay.
Thank you much.
Uh-huh.
It's a nice belt.
Yep. Cool. Well, they were selling these for $6.87. That was a lot back in the 80s.
Yeah, for real.
the shade in general. Now I'd like to find about 10 more of those wedges.
For real.
Quick 3 to 400.
Well, I can make a good video about not judging a book by its cover.
True.
Don't judge a yard sale from the road.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. Like that video
3
game
in a row.
thing. Same
Yeah,
thing.
3 in a row.
Oh, it's like a little fairy village
Oh yeah.
in a pot. How cool is
That
that?
is cool. Very creative.
Did she make those?
Yeah.
That's super creative. Look how pretty that spruce tree is too.
Oh yeah. That is a pretty tree. Oh, wrong one.
Oh, that's a neat idea for
What?
a Christmas tree. Spin the yarn over a
Oh yeah.
like styrofoam. Hey, you're very creative with your little
Thank you.
fairy villages.
Oh, thank you.
I used to landscape, and those were definitely all the rage in like indoor gardens.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okie dokie.